The actual teaching itself, we are looking at one, how is the teacher using the materials with the children? Because young children, they learn when they are involved, actively involved with materials. How is the teacher getting actively involved with the teachers? How is the teacher participating with the children? How is the teacher talking, the tone of voice? How is the teacher talking to what? To the children. Because if the teacher is using a harsh voice, then these children are going to be afraid of the teacher. They cannot learn because they are already fearful of the teacher. So we also look at that. Then we also look at, what else? I talked about the interaction. And then we also talk about how does the teacher manage the class, okay? Because most of the time there are so many children in one class. We want to see how that teacher is organizing the class. Is the teacher able to group the children into smaller groups, offer them activities, group work, so that they can learn from each other? Is the teacher providing opportunities for the children to work within themselves separately? Because most of the time, other teachers, the way they are working with the children is that they stand and they use the what? The blackboard, which is different in the Madrasa program. The Madrasa program is balancing between the adult initiated activities and then the child initiated activities, meaning that children are offered an opportunity to work with the materials, not like alone, but they guide the way they use the materials, and the teacher goes in to support the what? The children as they use the materials. So we assess, is the teacher providing that opportunity for the children to get the material, start on working with the material, and then the teacher goes in to support those what? The materials. And then the other thing is that we want to see whether the teacher is trying to develop the whole child, because the whole child will mean that, are you looking at the intellect? Are you looking at the social development? Are you looking at the spiritual development? We look at what activity is the teacher providing that will help the child develop all those different domains. So that's why we look at inside and then outside. Is this teacher providing materials for large muscle growth? Are the children given an opportunity to go outside, to exercise, to play on the swings and sliders, to jump, to skip? Those are the opportunities that we want to see the teacher providing. So when we are assessing the teacher, we look at how is the teacher providing opportunity for the child to grow on those different domains.